Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 10 could not be installed. Error code is 80070003. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get started. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all you can go to your search box and type a registry editor. Okay guys, open it. Sorry. Okay guys, when you open it, first of all you can expand it as a HE local machine, and after doing this here you can select a system. After doing this here you can find out a current control set. Now you can see that a current control set, you can expand it. And after doing this step, you can select expand it as a services. After doing this step, you can scroll down and find out okay guys, more scroll down. Now here is now you can find out a WIMMOUNT. Click on it, and after doing this step you can select a image path. Now you can see, double click on it, and you can see this is a location. Now after doing this step, go to your my PC, this PC. Go to your C drive, Windows, and after doing this step, you can select System 32. Now go to your System 32. Now find out a System 32, and after doing that, you can select drivers. Now here is open it. Now after that you can find out this name of file. Scroll down. Now here is now you can see that is a location shows that is no specific location is also be appear. So if this file is not appear on this address, then you can set this address. So at this time you can see that this address and this application file is also be existing. So after doing this step, secondly that you can go to your search box and type a CMD. Right click and click on run as administrator. After opening up, you can first of all you can type a command is net stop WUAUSERV. After that click on press enter. After doing this step, once again type NE stop CRYPTSVC, sorry, backs, and CRYPTSVC and press enter. After doing this step, you can okay guys, now after doing this step, once again type NET space stop space BITS bits. So press enter. After doing this step, you can type NET stop MSISER and press enter. Okay guys, after doing this step, once again type net stop FIDSVC and press enter. After doing this that, you can type a C dots and forward slash Windows / software distribution space and software distribution .old and press enter. Okay guys, after this command you can type a command C dots and /Windows /System32 /CAT root 2 space CAT root .old and press enter. Okay guys, after doing this that, you can type a command net space start WUAUSERV and press enter. Okay guys, after doing this that, you can type a command net start space CRYPTSVC and press enter. After doing this that, you can type a command net start bits, press enter. After doing this that, you can type a command net space start MSISERVER and press enter. Okay guys, after doing this that, you can type a command net space strt start app IDSVC, press enter. Okay guys, after doing this that, you can type a exit and click on press enter. Now after doing this that, you can restart your computer. I am sure that after doing this that, your problem has fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can go to your search box and type a PowerShell. Right click and click on a run as administrator. Okay guys, now type a command is wuvavclt.exe space /update now and press enter. Okay guys, after that you can click on exit and press enter. Okay guys, after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that, your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.